Hey everyone. We hear about AI all the time, right? But it usually sounds like something way off in the future, something out of a sci-fi movie. Well, today we're going to pull it right back down to earth. We're going to look at the practical, real-world AI that's already working behind the scenes, powering the services you use every single day. Let's jump in.
So that brings us to the big question. When you get past all the headlines and the hype, what is AI actually doing for us right now in the real world? How is it changing the way businesses work and the way we live? And the answer is a lot more than you probably think. It's so important to understand that AI isn't just a lab experiment anymore. It has moved way past the demo stage. It's a mature, practical technology that's already deeply woven into some of the biggest industries out there. To really see what I mean, we're going to take a quick tour. First, we'll look at how AI is making our money smarter and safer in FinTech. Then, we'll pop into the hospital to see what it's doing in healthcare. From there, we'll see how the software we use every day is getting intelligent. And finally, how AI is automating routine tasks and creating a whole new standard for business. Okay, our first stop is FinTech, financial technology. This industry was one of the very first to really embrace AI, and for a super simple reason. Finance is swimming in data, and making fast, accurate decisions is absolutely everything. So what does this actually look like? Well, if you've ever gotten that text from your bank saying, "Hey, was this you making this purchase?" You've seen AI in action. Companies like Visa and PayPal use it for real-time fraud detection. It's also being used to create more accurate credit scores, execute lightning-fast stock trades, and yeah, it powers those chatbots that answer your questions online. And the difference here is just night and day. Before AI, someone had to manually review suspicious transactions. It was slow. Now, these systems spot weird patterns in milliseconds. Credit scores used to rely on just a handful of data points, but AI can analyze all kinds of alternative data, which actually helps more people get access to credit. It's a huge leap forward. For the financial companies themselves, the result is crystal clear. They get faster, smarter decisions, they lose way less money to fraud, and they can support millions of customers all at once. It's a complete game changer for them. All right, now let's switch gears and move from finance to a totally different world, healthcare. Here, the focus of AI isn't on money, it's on improving the speed and accuracy of medical care. And these are advancements that can literally save lives. In hospitals today, AI is becoming this incredible assistant for doctors. It's used to analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs to help find tumors or tiny fractures, sometimes with even more accuracy than the human eye. It's also dramatically speeding up the search for new medicines, and even monitoring patients to predict a crisis before it happens. The impact here is just profound. Take drug discovery, for example. Research that used to take years can now be crunched down into just a few months. And imagine you're a radiologist who had to scan every single pixel of an image. Now you've got an AI co-pilot that highlights the areas you really need to look at, letting you work faster and with more confidence. At the end of the day, what AI in healthcare really means is faster diagnoses, which lets treatment begin sooner. And sure, that helps lower costs, but most importantly, it drives significantly better outcomes for patients. Okay, so from the hospital, let's turn to the software we're all using every single day. We're talking about software as a service, or SaaS. And for these modern digital products, AI has gone from being a cool, flashy feature to something that's absolutely essential to have. You really do experience this all the time. Think about how Netflix or Spotify just know what you want to watch or listen to next. That's AI. It's also working behind the scenes to predict which customers might be about to cancel their subscription so the company can step in. It's what powers smart chatbots and automatically analyzes data to give companies clues on how to improve their products. And this marks a really fundamental shift. We've moved away from one-size-fits-all software to experiences that feel like they were personalized just for you. Customer support used to be reactive. You had a problem, you complained. Now AI can proactively spot issues and alert companies before a customer even gets frustrated. The result of all this, well, customers are happier, so they stick around longer, which means higher retention for the business. At the same time, automated support lowers costs. It's a true win-win that creates a better experience for you and a healthier business. All right, for our final industry stop, let's talk about automation. Now, we've had automation for a long time, but it was often pretty rigid. Kind of dumb, really. It just followed a strict set of rules. AI is changing all of that, transforming simple bots into intelligent systems that can actually make decisions. So what does this mean? It means AI can now actually read and understand documents like invoices or contracts and pull out the important information automatically. Those robotic processes can now handle exceptions and adapt when something unexpected happens. It's even being used to manage complex IT systems, predicting problems and scaling resources, all without a human touching anything. So you can see the key evolution here. We've moved from these brittle, rule-based scripts to dynamic AI systems that can think and adapt. That tedious, error-prone job of manual data entry, it's being replaced by intelligent document processing. The business impact here is just enormous. We're talking about massive gains in efficiency, a dramatic reduction in human error, and the ability for a company to scale its operations without having to proportionally scale its workforce. So we've just taken a whirlwind tour through 4 different industries: finance, healthcare, software, and automation. And we've seen AI doing very different things. But there is a common thread running through all of them. Let's look at the core technologies that make all this possible. This really reveals the shared toolkit that's powering all of these applications. At the very core is machine learning, which is all about finding patterns in data for things like fraud detection. Then you have natural language processing, or NLP, which gives computers the ability to understand human language. That's what powers chatbots. And computer vision lets AI see and interpret images, which is key for both medical scans and reading documents. These are the threads connecting everything we've seen. Which brings us to our big conclusion. When you see how these core AI capabilities are being applied everywhere, you realize that AI is no longer a nice-to-have technology. It's quickly becoming the new standard for how any modern competitive business has to operate. It all comes down to what we can call the AI advantage. Across every single industry, the pattern is the same. AI delivers 4 key benefits: speed from faster decisions, savings from lower costs, accuracy that can surpass what humans can do, and the ability to scale that intelligence across an entire organization.